So Sri Dada is saluting the darling children of Mother Existence who are here. So what is the necessary things for these changes? The first and most important is inner awakening. Otherwise we can say it expansion of our inner energies or our spiritual energy. So our real mind has to be awakened to see it, to live it. So we think that today we are living. In fact, we are not living. Actually, what we are doing, just we have some mental reflections of the society, of our past lives, and we are just following the shadows of the society and of the past lives. This is not the awakened life required in the human plane. So to live the real life waiting for us, first we should be awakened. The whole secret is awareness. So we should develop our awareness. Today we are not living with this awareness. We are just following some mental patterns. This is not awareness. So awareness is like light. So when there is light, there is no darkness. So this light of awareness should happen, should grow in every human beings. So that is the first things to happen. So how to find the light of awareness in us? And the first and the foremost part of it, a process of purification, cleansing. So we have to cleanse, we have to pass through a process of intense cleansing. Cleansing of the body, cleansing of our energies, cleansing of mind. This is the first stage through which all human beings has to walk to find the awareness sleeping in us. So the whole meaning of the spiritual practices, maybe the yoga practice, maybe meditations, maybe the mantra chanting, there are many, the prayers, everything primarily intending to help us to pass through this stage of cleansing, purification. Sri Dada has already said us, because this is a very special time, a period of transition. So human life has to be elevated into a higher stage. A new global consciousness has to happen on earth, has to arrive on earth. In this process, we have to pass through various stages. The cleansing is the first part, then expansion of our consciousness, etc. So these are the various stages through which humanity has to progress now. So at the individual plane, yoga practice, meditation, and many pranayama techniques, everything will help us to progress through these various stages. But at the collective level, at the global level, so how we can support this process of transformation? And intending to create, to support this great transformation, Sri Dada is doing a very great Vedic ritual in India during this period. So this grand Vedic ritual is known as Dharmasuya Mahayaga. This is a grand ritual in sacred fire. So this is a great gift of the ancient rishis who lived in India. So they has gifted these sacred tools to help humanity during the period of transition. So in the Mahayaga there will be chanting of sacred Vedic mantras, and there will be collaboration of great human minds, and also visualization of the new world. So there are two important things in the Mahayaga. So today the human beings or the world at large is under the control of the forces of negativity, and there is less scope for positivity. And now the energy or the great power of the Mahayaga intending to shatter, to remove this power of negativity on earth at one level, and the second level to bring the higher energies required to earth for the great evolution or creation of the new world. So, removing the obstacles in the existing world, then bringing the energies for the creation of the new world. So that is the intention of the Mahayaga. Though this Mahayaga is conducted in India, it is for the entire world. And its power will influence the whole world, all human beings, and it will influence all other beings also, all the subtle beings also. So this great Mahayaga will bring tremendous energy into the earth plane and also into the human plane. So definitely something new will come out of it. So what we are intending that we require divine energies. So then only when we absorb the positive energy more and more at the human plane, then only our thinking will change, our action will change, our attitudes will change, our relationship will change. Unless this change happens, there is no scope. So this great energy of the Mahayaga will support these positive changes on earth in the near future. So this is done at the practical level by collaborating thousands and thousands of human minds in one point. And Shita is inviting all of you, if possible, please come to India, be a part of this great process. So if it is very difficult for you, be a part of this grand process from your place. It is possible.